Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the reticle or the crosshair color in Marvel Rivals. So as you can see, mine is white, and to change this color is pretty simple. So all you have to do is go to settings. So since I'm on a game, let me just pause my game and then select settings. And then within the settings, go to the controller section and then select combat. Now at this point, find the hard section and then scroll down and you should see the option advanced. So click on the plus icon, select the plus icon rather, and then scroll down until you find the color section. Here it is. As you can see, by default it's set to white. So select the drop down arrow and then you should see 5 colors. There's white, red, yellow, green, and blue. Now select the color you'd prefer. So let me just select red. Then once you select it, scroll back to the top and then you should see this option save as new. So save it and then rename it to whatever you like to rename it. Let me just put a random number and then done, and then select confirm. So let me type in something else. Now once done, you can go back to the game and you can see the reticle has changed, or the crosshair, depending on what you're using, has changed color. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.